Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create golden color effect in Snapseed. And here's how it's done. Open the Snapseed app on your phone. Tap open and select the photo you want to edit. Tap tools, tune image, adjust the settings. Brightness, +20 to +40 for a radiant effect. Contrast, +30 to +30, adds depth. Saturation, +20 to +50, boosts golden tones. Ambience, +30 to +50, enhances colors. Warm, +50 to +80, creates a golden hue. Tap check to apply. Next is to enhance the golden look with curves. Go to Tools, Curves. Select red and slightly increase the midtones for a warmer feel. Select green and slightly decrease the shadows. Select blue and lower the midtones to add a golden tint. Tap check to save the changes. You can also apply the Glamour Glow effect. Tap Tools, Glamour Glow. Choose Glow 2 or Glow 3 for a soft golden sheen. Adjust the glow strength to 50 to 70%. Tap check to apply. After that, add warmth with Brush tool. Go to Tools, Brush, Temperature. Increase the temperature +5 to +10 and paint over areas where you want a stronger golden effect. Example, sky, skin, or background. Tap check to apply. When you are satisfied with the result, tap Export. Choose Save or Export to keep a high-quality version of your golden color edited photo. And that's everything you need to know about how to create golden color effect in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.